Welcome to Alone Together Baking, where we bake together alone. I'm Sky, and these are organic, colorful, farm fresh eggs from my friend's ranch in Plymouth, California. Anyway, my goal here at Alone Together Baking is to give you easy recipes that will impress. So today I'm going to show you how to make gigantic, thick chocolate chip cookies that will definitely impress. So let's get to this. We have 2 1/3 cup all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon baking soda, 2/3 cup butter, 2/3 cup light brown sugar, 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 egg, and 2 cups chocolate chip. So we are going to whisk all of the dry ingredients together in the bowl and then set it aside. Next, we are going to cream the butter with the sugar. Whew. Next, we're going to add the egg and the vanilla and beat till incorporated. We're going to slowly add in the flour mixture and mix until completely incorporated. Next, we're going to take the 2 cups of chocolate chips and fold them into the mixture. And I'm going to leave some of the chocolate chips out so that I can put them in strategically on the top to make the cookies look good. So I'm going to now cover and refrigerate the dough for about 15 to 30 minutes to make it easier to work with. Okay, I'm back, and we're going to divide the dough into 6 equal portions and shape them into the cookies. Now I'm going to take the leftover chocolate chips and put them on top just to make it look like there's a lot more chocolate in it. Okay, so we're going to cover and refrigerate this for an hour and then put it in a 400-degree preheated oven for about 15 to 18 minutes or until the tops are a nice golden brown. And then we'll be back. Look at how enormous these cookies are. Super scrumptious. So we're going to let that cool on the baking pan for about 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. It has been such a treat baking with you today. For a written version of this recipe, go to the website alonetogetherbaking.com and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel of the same name. I'm Sky, and let's bake together again soon.